friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making lemon pepper chicken wings in the air fryer. For this easy recipe, we just need chicken wings. They've already been separated into pieces. I also have some melted butter, and this is optional. You can either use oil or nothing. It's just to make them more brown and for flavor. And we have lemon pepper seasoning for the lemon pepper wings. So I'm going to brush wings with butter and then season them with lemon pepper seasoning. So I'll brush the top side, I'll season, and I'll flip them over and season again. And now I will flip them over. And again, brush the butter. And season the other side. So now let's take out the air fryer basket. And I'm going to add the chicken wings to the air fryer basket. And now let's put the basket in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 20 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket. Oh, they look good. And now I'm going to flip them over so they cook more evenly. And now let's put them back in the air fryer and let them finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so so let's take a look. Look at these lemon pepper wings. They look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Let me take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. Look at them. It was so easy to cook wings in the air fryer. You'll love it. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying them. So tender with crispy skin. You're going to love them. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!